Hi everyone, my name is Tricia Lynn, and I'm going to show you a fingerstyle pattern to the song Every Breath You Take. It's for the ukelikethepros fingerstyle challenge. Make sure you sign up at ukelikethepros.com/challenge. I've named this fingerstyle pattern the cherub because when you play it, it sounds like a harp when you strum it. And so when I think of a harp, I think of angels, so I named it the cherub. Now, each finger will be responsible for one string. So your thumb will be in charge of the G, pointer will be in charge of the C, your middle will be in charge of the E, and your ring finger will be in charge of the A. Comes from the acronym PIMA, Pulgar, Indice, Medio, and Anular, which is Spanish, from the classical guitar world. So we'll be using this method for this particular pattern. Now the pattern is 8 notes long, so I'm going to teach it by fours. So I'll teach you the first half and then the second half, and then we'll put it together. The first half goes like this: thumb, index, middle, index. That's it. 1 and 2 and. Make sure your forearm is in contact with the ukulele. Keep contact. Your fingers are plucking over the sound hole. Big knuckle of the thumb plucking that top string, the G string. Your pinky can either be hovering or touching the bass of the ukulele. Now the second half of this pattern, you're going to start with your ring finger, starting from the bottom, going up, and then back down again. Sounds like this: ring, middle, index, middle. Again, ring, middle, index, middle. Now let's combine the two. Ring. Good. One more time. Ring, middle, pointer, middle. Now, this is a longer fingerstyle pattern, but just practice slowly, and with time and muscle memory, you'll start internalizing it. So let's try it with the first chord of the song Every Breath You Take, the chord A. 1, 2, 3. Good. Over the sound hole. We'll go slower, a little bit slower. I'll even go slower. This song, Every Breath You Take, has 4 different sections. Let's start with the intro. The intro is going to be A, F sharp minor, D, and then E7. Let's try it with the strum, the cherub, because it sounds like a harp. Here you go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Change to the D. Switch, change right here. E7. The verse uses the same chords also, so it's the same. The A, F sharp minor, D, and E7. Let's try it while I sing it. You can sing at home as well. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, verse 1. Every breath you take, every move you make, every bond you break, every step you take, I'll be watching you. Every single day, every word you say, every game you play, every night you stay, I'll be watching you. Now the chorus has different chords. There's a D, E7, well, this is E7, we still have that A. We have a B7, and all the other chords we've done. So let's try the chorus. Oh, can't you see you belong to me? How my poor heart aches with every step you take, every move you make, every vow you break, every smile you fake, every claim you stake, I'll be watching you. The next part to look at is the bridge. We'll be using an F, G, and then at the end of that, it's going to be like the intro. A to A sharp minor, D, E7, and F sharp minor. It ends on F sharp minor as opposed to an A. Okay, let's go ahead and try that. 1, 2, 1. Since you've gone, I've been lost without a trace. I dream at night, I can only see your face. I look around and it's you I can't place. I feel so cold and I long for your embrace. I keep crying, baby, baby, please. To E7, F sharp minor here. After that, it goes to the chorus again, and then there's an outro, which is just A, F sharp, minor, and a D. So let's go ahead and give it a go. Outro. 2, 3. Every breath you take, every move you make, every bond you break, I'll be watching. Every breath you take, every move you make, every bond you break, I'll be watching. Every breath you take, every move you make, every bond you break, I'll be watching. Every breath you take, every move you make, every bond you break, I'll be watching you. Ended on an A. Okay, let's try our cherub strum to the song Every Breath You Take by the Police. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Every breath you take, every move you make, every bond you break, every step you take, I'll be watching you. Every single day, Every word you say, every game you play, every night you stay, I'll be watching you. Oh, can't you see you belong to me? How my poor heart aches with every step you take, every move you make, every vow you break, every smile you fake, every claim you stake, I'll be watching you. Since you've gone, I've been lost without a trace. I'm dreaming that I can only see your face. I look around and it's you I can't replace. I feel so cold and I long for your embrace. I keep crying, baby, baby, please. Oh, can't you see you belong to me? How my poor heart aches with every step you take, every move you make, every vow you break, every smile you fake, every claim you stake, I'll be watching you. Every breath you take, every move you make, every bond you break, I'll be watching. Every breath you take, every move you make, every bond you break, I'll be watching. Every breath you take, every move you make, every bond you break, I'll be watching. Every breath you take, every move you make, every bond you break, I'll be watching you. This song is part of the ukelikethepros Fingerstyle Challenge. Make sure you sign up for this free competition at ukelikethepros.com/challenge. Thanks for listening, everyone.